guys, it's Fabian from the Jansen channel, and we have just arrived in country number 47. We have made it to the United Arab Emirates. Yesterday we arrived in Abu Dhabi, and right now we are in Dubai. Enjoy! So we are now walking towards the Dubai Mall, and that's located near the Burj Khalifa. We also just walked the Museum of the Future. It was really busy in there, so we skipped the line and we were like, okay, we're not going to do that today. So the weather is kind of okay. Yesterday it was raining and thundering really hard. Right now it's just a little bit of rain sometimes, but the weather is okay. I think it's around 21 to 23 degrees, something like that. And right now we are going to the Dubai Mall. So we are right now outside of the Dubai Mall, and now we can see the Burj Khalifa with the fountains in front of it. So we are right now at the Sheikh Zayed Mosque, and this is one of the biggest mosques here in the United Arab Emirates, and this is in Abu Dhabi. So we are right now walking on the courtyard towards the entrance of the mosque, and inside the mosque there is a rug, and this rug has a total weight of 35,000 tons, so 35 tons. So that's really a lot, and I'm going to show you inside. Right now we are inside of the mosque, and we are going towards the carpet, and right over here we have the first of the 7 chandeliers, and this one is only 2 tons. So we are right now walking outside of the mosque, and the mosque is named after the original prince, or like the king of the United Arabs, and his son is actually named Khalifa. So that's why they built the tower, the Burj Khalifa, and Burj means tower. So it was named after the son of the original king. And right now we are walking outside of this beautiful mosque.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.